Hello there! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a delectable dish, garlicky steamed shrimp with glass noodles. Let's get cooking. First, immerse the glass noodles in warm water for about 15 minutes until they turn soft. Then, set them aside. Give those shrimp a good rinse and peel them, getting them all prepared for their starring role. Lay the now softened glass noodles on a plate. Carefully cut the shrimp's body from the head's underside and make sure to remove the digestive tract. Now place these prepared shrimp delicately on top of the noodles. Time to infuse some garlicky goodness. Mince a head of garlic and pour some hot oil over it. Add a pinch of salt, a dash of sugar, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, and a sprinkle of chopped chili. Mix it all up. Spoon dollops of this fabulous garlic sauce onto each shrimp. Now, let's get that steam going. Add some water to a pot, turn up the heat, and steam these beauties for about 8 minutes. For that final touch, sprinkle some freshly chopped green onions and drizzle a bit of hot oil for an enticing aroma. To round it all out, a drizzle of seasoned soy sauce meant for steamed fish. And there you have it, a plate of garlicky steamed shrimp with glass noodles ready to be savored. Give this recipe a try and tell me what you think. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.